Welcome back to our channel, guys. We are doing Smasher's Dino Ice Surprise. And I've never done one of these before. So, let's get in.
Jesus!
Can we please keep that in the video?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, here's the map, guys.
So what does the map do?
It is, I think.
Alright, here's your coin.
Thank you.
What do you think it is?
Stretch it all off.
It is Blizzard Bomb.
Okay, show the camera.
Shows the camera.
Blizzard Bomb, guys. Blizzard Bomb.
Alright.
This is going to be very cold Ice Age air, guys. Weird. Smell
Oh.
good. Smell.
Oof.
Kind of smells good.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got eggs. Comment down below.
Okay, gotta find the
What do
right
you
one.
think might be
This is
in
the right
here?
thing to do.
You gotta find the right one to do.
I got it. Poop.
Wait.
We're gonna need some paper towels.
Blizzard bomb.
Blizzard.
Hey, Mom, you got some water?
Sure, Sky!
Oh, God. God. Where are those scissors gone? This is...
Show it before you put it in.
Yeah, this it is. It's... Oh!
Alright.
3, 2, I'm gonna...
Yep, you're fine.
1. And
Just lay it in there. Wow!
this is cool. I think it's gonna overflow. Anybody else?
Hopefully not.
It is. It's gonna overflow.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I
It
think
is.
so.
With that entire thing? Yeah, maybe.
Is it?
There it is, guys. We got it.
Oh, it's still got a ways to go. Maybe we have to wait for it too.
Yeah.
Skylar, you're turning blue!
Ah.
Yeah, I always thought we were gonna have a Smurf in the house. Didn't think it was gonna be the oldest kid.
Wow.
Blue man grew. And a star was born.
This feels so good.
Okay, I probably
I
wouldn't keep your
can't
hand.
pull it up. Okay, now I can. Ooh. Look at that, guys.
Look at the color.
Oh, still have that to thaw out.
Looks like.
One, I guess.
Hold on, you're dripping all over.
Yeah. Papy towels?
Paper towels.
Towels?
Assistant, paper towels.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
This looks like blue Kool-Aid.
Okay. Say, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
I'll be right back, guys. I need to go wash my hands. Number 2.
What does it say?
Thaw the claw. Oh,
Oh.
and the one before I didn't say it. Oops, frozen dino poops. It's crystal slime.
Crystal slime.
Crystal.
Oh, here it is, guys. Crystal slime. God, this looks so it's like got a slime, like not a slime, but like a
Oh.
Ew. Oh, yeah, you gotta get it off of there.
no, it's not that. It's like not a hard slime. It'll like stick to each other.
Is it a different kind of slime?
It's like a weird kind of. It's like I don't know how to say. It's. I need to pull this out.
I put it on
Got
a
it.
paper towel or something, Sky.
No, it's fine.
No?
It's got like a gun feel. It's like got a weird feeling to it.
Oh.
It's like not like
It's got glitter in it though.
yeah, it's like a good kind of slime. Oh, that makes my life a lot easier. You can just pull it off with the other pieces of slime.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of convenient.
If you want the big one.
Oh, thanks. Oh, now it's got a weird like warm kind of feeling to it.
Is it like rocky feeling?
No, like... See?
Oh, that is weird.
Like, I don't know how to explain it, guys. It's like, it's unexplainable kind of how feeling it is. Weird. Here it is, guys. Oh, and here's the other. We got a flute and a tail. I think that is. I don't know.
Next.
And
What number?
catch it if you can.
You have to have the water into it.
Here it is. It's like a mountain kind of vibe to it.
So, peel.
Pour water and then snow. Easy enough. 3. Easy enough. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's getting cold.
It is?
Yeah.
It must be that kind of artificial stuff. It's kind of like,
Your assistant.
no, I got it. God. It's like got a real tight one to it. Assistant, please help. See what I mean? Wow, kind of lifted it up to us.
Wow,
Oh,
that looks like really.
so soft.
It looks really like.
Put your hand in it, Dad. Just like one finger.
Whoa, that's weird.
That's artificial snow, I think.
Oh, that's cool.
Can I keep that? Like, seriously, that's so cool. So we got a leg, I think that is.
Arm.
No, yep, 2 legs.
That's so weird how that. I can get.
Gross.
It's just weird how it looks. So natural, like snow.
It like comes off right when it's like outside it. It's so feels so nice.
Sure, there's nothing else in there?
Oh,
2 legs, I think.
Yep, 2 legs.
That's so weird.
Number 4, for frozen bones. Sketch of snow. Stretch in snow. Another snow. 1. Slime.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it a different kind of slime?
It's got such a weird feeling to it. God, somebody help me. I'm gonna get a look at this look. This is like so gooey and weird. Good? Shouldn't I? Oh, now it's warm again.
But look,
We
it's so
need-
fibrous.
We need to keep that somewhere so we can wake you up in the morning and put it on your feet.
Fun.
Numero
Can you handle the tooth?
number 5.
True. We are going for this one. Oh. Guys,
more slime.
no.
More slime.
No. What is up with this? Slime. This time you literally can't open it by doing this. It has to be by cutting it, which is odd. If you guys can make out what's in there, that is. If I can do this to slime, I don't know, want to know what it kind of is. It's like Jello.
Gosh, one.
No, what is it? Eh! Oh, it's kind of like Jello. Kind of feels nice. Oh, wow.
Yeah, put your fingers in there and get that out.
Ew. That's one way to do
That
it.
looks like the worst of them.
No, this actually is like.
Boy.
What the heck is this? Oh my God. It's like so clear if you're near the edge of it. Ew.
Pull it out.
I can't. It's like so Jello.
Jello.
Ow!
That's yours now.
I mean, it's his to do.
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Oh God. It's like pizza kind of, because you don't want it to touch the ground. Oh god. This is like the easiest one out of all.
Yeah, it seems like the easiest, but look at it coming, like looping over your hand.
I know.
It's like a big. It's not.
You want me to touch you with this?
No, I don't think you. Skylar,
Take that.
use the Kleenex next time.
Can you? Even though you're holding the camera, I would still. Oh, can I just hold it for a little bit and show the camera? Guys, look at this. It's like so like gooey. Like, it doesn't stick to one another.
My muscles.
Oh, it's like.
There you go.
You broke the egg.
What is it?
What the heck is this? What is this? Okay, it's like Sub-Zero mosquito. What the heck is this?
What's this? Huh?
Yeah, you can't do it like that. You have to squeeze it in a certain area like this. We have a woolly mammoth. It is chili mammoth.
Chili mammoth.
Here's the entire paper. Mammoth.
Chili mammoth.
Here's the entire paper layout of it. I want to get the ultra rare, glow in the dark, cool caveman. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but I might as well hope to get it. Here it is. We have the lazy flippin' caribou, I guess. Whatever you want to call
Elk?
it. Elk.
Moose? Moose.
I'm looking.
Moose is on loose.
It is the... It's a rare, actually. The melted moose.
Hey, we saw a moose. We saw a moose finally.
Wow. Nice.
Oh, that was an easy one. What is that?
Oh, this has got to be like a rare. I don't see it right now. It's like a blizzard bronco.
Is it a common?
It's a common.
Show the camera.
Here it is. Blizzard bronco. Oh, this has gotta be another rare, the winter wolf. And oh, this one's tough. That's weird. Oh, please be like something big. Yeah, it's definitely something. Yeah. It is the hard to tell what it is. Trying to match it up. It's not deer frost. Frosty fox.
Is it a common or a rare?
Common.
This is probably going to be the toy of Christmas for kids this year. 2020, right, Sky?
Yeah, probably.
Pretty cool, huh?
Ah! I'm a bird. It's a plane. No, I'm a pterodactyl.
Alright, what are we going to say?
Goodbye, guys. What?
Do your famous...
What?
Members.
subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure to turn on those post notifications so you never miss another video. Bye-bye!